One can easily see Mahesh Kulkarni's dedication and passion to bring the beauty of nature through the powerful images he captures. As a conservation photographer, Mahesh champions in creating awareness towards the dire urgency for the conservation of nature. Today, Mahesh will share his thoughts and journey with I'm an Artist, I Talk Art about his conservation efforts through photography. Hi Mahesh, do tell us, how did you get into photography?
My father was a photo enthusiast. So through his Agfa click-3 camera, he has documented all our childhood, upbringing, and also our family travels. Those days, photography used to be very slow and also expensive. So I did not had an opportunity to handle my father's camera. So finally, I could invest in my own camera when I started working. I think that's when my journey as a photographer has started. But I really got an opportunity to further this hobby and bring it to a certain shape only when I came to Kuala Lumpur in 2012.
How has your craft evolved over the years?
I have initially started taking photographs in my own home garden, taking photographs of flowers and leaves. Then that got extended into taking photographs of family members, then documenting our own family travels. Then for a long period of time, I have done landscape photography, mostly nature landscape photography, and then evolved into fine art nature photography. But lately I really found my direction into conservation photography, and this direction has given me a meaning for this hobby to convert into something more useful for myself, as well as it can be useful for the society as a whole. So once I have gotten direction to go into conservation photography, this has also helped me to move from taking photographs into making photographs. And once I started making photographs, that has also helped me in, instead of making an individual photographs, how can I create stories with the body of a photograph. And I think that is how my journey has evolved, and this has also helped me looking differently for the world which is around me and in the context which I am living with.
How has photography changed you or your perspective about the world?
So I must start answer to this question by reiterating one quote. It says that camera is a tool to learn to see the world without lens. So I think the photography has really helped me to look at the world, and to look at the world from all the angles of what's happening around. When someone is photographing, although he is photographing what is in front of his camera, but when the image is made, the image also contains the personality of a person who has taken that photograph. And that's why when I started making images about conservation of nature and about conservation of Mother Earth, my viewers, collectors, and the audience in general could feel what I feel within myself, and they could understand the passion with which I have been making these images. And that's how I think my craft also has evolved. At the same time, it has helped me how to look at the world and how to make images so that you can convey your message, you can convey your concerns through your craft.
Why do you choose to print your own images?
To me, the whole process is very therapeutic. Right from planning a field trip, actually going into the field, making images, coming back, selecting the images, editing them, processing them, sequencing them, and finally printing them. So it's a very therapeutic process. And once I print the images, the prints are very tangible. The satisfaction and the happiness what you can get by looking at that image in your hands is completely different, and that's what I enjoy. At the same time, when I'm going through this process, this also helps me to raise the bar, and it helps me raising the bar for every sub process, right from planning a trip up to the editing and sequencing of the images. When I'm printing my images, it is also helping me raise a bar on my performance. It is also helping me in critically doing a self-editing. Self-editing is very critical in any photographer's improvement journey. And when I'm printing the images, it also enhances my pride in my own work.
What is the mission behind your photography?
Mission is very clear. Once I got my direction, the mission is to use this craft, use photography for conservation of nature, for protecting Mother Earth. This can be in many ways. This can be by working directly with the NGOs and the individuals who are working in this field. At the same time, helping the educational institutes with the images. They can use my images free of cost and use in the education for conservation of nature.
Do share with us your short-term goals and your long-term goals towards your craft.
So in short term as well as long term, I would like to continue to pursue conservation photography along with fine art nature photography. So the conservation photography work will be mainly with the organizations and individuals who are working in the field of conservation of nature, who are working in the field of conservation research. But many times these images are like documentary kind of images, and only people who are into that field understand these images. So therefore, for people at large, for common man, I still want to continue to make the images which are fine art nature images, which are displaying the beauty of the nature, so that by appreciating the beauty in the nature, they should also develop an inclination to change their behavior so that they also contribute in conservation of nature.
You have an initiative called clickandconserve.com. Tell us more about this brainchild of yours.
Clickandconserve.com is our non-profit initiative. It is an initiative to give it back to society. Through this, we want to, and we are educating people at large about the dire need of conservation of nature, dire need of protecting Mother Earth. And we also want to educate people at large how they can contribute, which simple behavioral changes can help Mother Earth, how they can change their behavior while they are consuming or while they are buying the things, how they can change their behavior while doing the disposal of waste. And my art is for a cause of conservation of Mother Nature. In my personal life, I am following zero waste lifestyle. I urge you all also to begin this journey by saying no to single-use plastic and by planting more trees. I am Mahesh Kulkarni. I am an artist. I talk art.